Alright, what the fuck is going on today? It's October 23rd. We're going to be going over small caps, pre-markets, and open markets. Going to be real quick here. Don't have a lot of time. I'm going to start with Bivy. Bivy was a multi-day. Didn't do anything. Not sure if this was an offer or not, but it got smoked. Nothing really there. BJDX, no volume. CDT. Did have a little push at the beginning or end of pre-market. Nothing much here under VWAP. Move on to the next one. CNSP had this one starred under $1. Penny stocks have been super hot. We have an instant 1 minute dip and push. And we see here the biggest takeaways are has to get over VWAP. We saw a lot of things break VWAP yesterday. And even I fell for a few of them where they break. And I'd buy the 1 minute dip down. And it just didn't work. So this was kind of a good flag here. It should have gone here if this was going to go. Should have gone right here. But stayed under VWAP. After this reject, just did absolutely nothing. CYCC, another multi-day, didn't do anything. DBVT, let's see. Another penny stock. I hate this kind of pre-market where it spikes up and then just fades down the whole time. No volume really. I didn't even reach the 1 year highs again. FAMI, whatever you want to call it. This bad bitch just straight fading into open. Usually this is a bearish sign. In this market, it's been kind of all over the place, so it's always good to kind of leave stuff up. Had this little uptrend. Again, we break VWAP and then just fade back down. We're seeing a lot more of this, so just gotta be careful with that. Once it broke down, it just kept fucking going. Alright, GMPX. Another recycled name. U pattern here, I guess you could say. This is, you know, you can maybe add here. The volume's not great. Kind of U pattern double top and then fail again. So far, we haven't seen a whole lot going on. I may have missed something, but. KWEA saw this from Discord. To me, there's really nothing here. Just straight pump. I mean, if you're swinging it or something, that's good, but. LRHC. This one was the breadwinner of the day. Quick 1 minute dip and then rip. These are not as easy to play for me personally, but I like to see something settle first. But nice push and then halts. Let's see if there's any other good areas to get into this thing. We have this kind of grind upwards into the 200 daily. Usually we've seen a bunch of rejects off of key levels as well. So to me at this point, I'm staying away. We halt down, we dip back. See, if this wasn't a halt down and it kind of dipped back down to here, I think this would have been a good ad. But out of a halt, this thing could have went straight back down and halted like within a second. So you can miss me with that fucking shit. Kind of double top here, you know, boom, boom, then faded. So to me, if you didn't get in down here, or if you're playing midday stuff, low volume chop, you really, I mean, to me, there's not a whole lot, not a lot going on. But nice percent gain, but not the best as far as setups. This is no volume. MBIO, U pattern, but again, not a lot of volume. Kinda, yeah. Held under VWAP again. Pixie Dust, no volume. Save, thank God for Spirit Airlines. The prison in the sky. I actually thought about taking this, but it just moves a lot slower. Nice kind of U pattern right here. If you look at ENNC from, let's pull it up. I know it's a way different ticker, but you know, we want to connect the dots when we're trading. You know, this pattern here. So we have this U shape, and then this, we have a stick and then flat. So if we go to save, we have stick and, you know, not exactly the same, but to me, similar type of vibes. SGMO, recycled name. Let's see. See, I'm not, this is just kind of like barcoding to me. Again, you can miss me with that. This would be awesome if it was on more volume. Okay, you know, I don't really, get out of bed early to get excited for this type of price action, but if you're swinging it, that's pretty nice. TVGN, probably the best setup of the day, unless I think UAVs or something else in here. TVGN, nice push out of the gates. So from here, from 9:30 to 9:40 to me, there's basically no trades here. Beautiful flag here. So what we'll see again is on ENSC. So we have a push, a flag that's kind of grinding upwards with this uptrend right here. So if we go to ENSC, a lot of moves today I based off of ENSC. Push, flat, this kind of like riding this wave, and then it breaks and then fades. So for TVGN, my thought process was I added on one of these dips to this kind of trend line we built up here, I think over here actually. But got out pretty much around this area. Didn't want to get too close to the 200, but nice push over the 200. This thing sets up again, similar price action. This flag, and on not APVO. Whatever the fucking one was yesterday, I forget. One where we had multiple flags back to back. I thought maybe this could push again. We have this fake kind of kill candle action here. These are always tough, but kind of bullishness, and then it just rolled over. I thought this would actually break 3, but she ended up going. So, and after that, just kind of chop and garbage. Nice kind of double bottom here off of pivotal level. But other than that, overall, this is probably the best one. But yeah, UAVs, another no pre-market, riding the 190 EMA wave. We have a nice flag here. This right here, this dip zone, kind of like this inside 5 flag. Nice to see that and push. Not really seeing. You have a dip to VWAP here. I don't have levels for this, so I don't really know for sure. But this is a nice kind of flag setup right there on UAVs. VEV no volume, VRAX. Things that are over like $2-3 just really aren't doing a whole lot. Like TVGN did something, but you got to be careful with these higher price stocks. Most of it is in pennies, but we could be seeing a shift at some point. Kind of a U pattern here, and then just died. I added some here just in case we rotated back towards this pivotal level. Pretty much I got a little bit off of it, kind of break even trade. And then it just kind of died out. So just gotta be careful. If it continues to keep dying, you guys kind of gonna get out. XXII, I don't know what the fuck kind of ticker name that is. This thing died with no volume. ZPTA, another one just died under VWAP. Really not a whole lot of bullish setups in my opinion. TVGN to me was the easiest, cleanest one down here. But even saying that, it's just kind of grinded here. Yeah, so that is going to be it. Peace.